When I was a girl, my mother told me stories of the world. She traveled across the continents, you see, from Mexico to Brazil and up the Amazon, then to India and Afghanistan and the mountains of Nepal. For those strange places called her. Her soul was composed of wanderlust, silver waterfalls and copper canyons that swallowed her up. And when she came out again, she was changed because she had known beauty. She wove ancient forest paths into my bedtime stories, and so she made me wayward too. The magic of the bend in the road enchanting my very soul and tugging impatiently at my shirt sleeves. So I went to see the mountains of Bhutan and the jungles of Panama, and I discovered the deep velvet indigo of the night sky just before the wave of black, and the stars that numbered in the billions, numerous as salts knocked over a dark tabletop. But though I ran far and fast, gravity still held me, and I resented it, a harness over my wings. I could not stay a moment longer in its bindings. So, one miraculous morning, I found my toes at the sea. Oh, the sea. She called to me in a voice so sweet and so beautiful that I tore off my human wrappings and dove in. Oh, those waves fit me like a satin glove painted over my skin, sliding sinuously across my nerves. And I met the creatures of the coastline, the harbor seals, the little crabs, the rockfish. They say that gravity is at once the strongest and the weakest force in the universe. And so I slipped its bindings. It fell away and I floated, weightless as an astronaut. I swam to the edge of a cliff and then over, as if I had my own wings, fashioned of air. One dark night, in a reckless moment, I turned off my flashlight, and I was astonished to see sparkles of light trail from my fingertips, tiny luminescent creatures that glowed as I touched them. I waved my hand through the water and painted the sea with stars, as if Apollo's cloak itself were momentarily mine to settle over the sea. Oh, I wished for gills so that I could stay, returning finally to the ancient home I'd left a millennia ago. But though I waited long under those salty stars, until my tank of air was almost gone, my gills would not grow. When I surfaced, I was disoriented. I couldn't tell the stars above from the stars below until I saw the glow of the city across the bay. For the first time, it seemed grotesque and dull. I held no desire to return to that human place, full of buzzing, overlapping voices and silver screens, to sit as if in a trance and ponder nothing but the color of my clothes and the brand of my car. We go through life, buzzing and quick, digging deeper with each passage. But there, see the sun emerge from beneath the dark clouds, illuminating the mountains, the waterfalls, the Serengeti, the Sonora, the hawk that catches the wind with strong wings, feather tips fluttering. These are the ways of the earth, and they are exquisite. We are but passing things, clever but transient. We spark to fire, then fizzle out, a million billion separate strings. If you desired, you could be a supernova explosion, to echo into every corner, to splash through cities and cyber cities and leave paradigms changed. Now that you have known beauty.